In this video, I'll show you how to set up Zoho Books for a small business. First, sign into your Zoho Books account on your desktop. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing you should do is complete your organization profile. Next, click Settings and enter your business information, including your business name, address, contact details, and preferred currency. Save your changes when you're finished. After that, go to the Taxes section and configure your tax settings. Enter the appropriate tax rates based on your business requirements. Now, click Customers and start adding your customer information. Enter names, email addresses, billing details, and any other information you want to track. Next, click Items and create your products or services. Add descriptions, prices, and tax settings for each item you sell. After that, connect your business bank account if you want to automatically import and reconcile transactions. Follow the prompts to link your account securely. Now, review your chart of accounts and make any adjustments needed for your business. This helps keep your financial records organized from the start. Next, customize your invoice settings. Add your company logo, choose an invoice template, and configure payment terms. After that, create a test invoice and send it to yourself to make sure everything is working correctly. Now, explore the dashboard and reports section to familiarize yourself with your income, expenses, invoices, and overall business performance. Finally, continue adding customers, recording expenses, and creating invoices so your financial records stay accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Zoho Books for a small business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.